David awoke to find the doll stitched together from 8 corpses had come to life. It stood silently by his bedside. Far from aggressive, it resembled a newborn infant, mechanically mimicking David's every movement. Watching this creature, David's initial terror gave way to growing excitement. He began training the monster, attempting to teach it English. But no matter how he trained it, the creature could only repeat a few simple words, as if devoid of intelligence. David soon grew bored. One day, his friend Lucy visited his home. Lucy became fascinated by the creature, spending the entire day with it. David felt the monster was disrupting Lucy's life. This was a forbidden experiment to begin with. David didn't want it to affect more people. David tried to burn the monster to death. An accident occurred. Not only did the monster survive, David lost a leg in the explosion. After that, the monster wandered into the forest. Soon it came upon the home of a blind old man. The old man was teaching a young boy to speak. The monster secretly learned. When it had mastered the language, it gave itself a name, Frankenstein. Yet the tragedy had only just begun.